Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Nintendo Switch for beginners. First, you will need to download the game, which is available for free on the Nintendo eShop. Make sure your Switch has enough storage, as the game requires about 13 gigabytes of space. After installation, you will create or link an Epic Games account. This step is crucial for saving your progress and accessing all game features across different platforms. It's a quick and easy process to get you into the action. Once you are in the game, understanding the basic controls is key. You will use the left joystick to move your character, allowing you to navigate the vast island. The right joystick is for controlling your camera, letting you look around and spot enemies or resources. To jump, simply press the A button, which is useful for traversing obstacles. The B button allows you to crouch, offering a smaller target, or to exit menus. These fundamental movements are essential for survival. Fortnite combines shooting with unique building mechanics. For combat, press the ZR button to fire your weapon, and use the ZL button to aim down sights, which significantly improves your accuracy. When it comes to building, press the Y button to switch into building mode. Here, you can select different structures like walls, floors, and ramps using the directional pad. Quickly constructing cover or high ground can give you a massive advantage in firefights, so practice this skill often. To help you succeed, here are some essential tips for new players. When you first drop onto the island, try landing in less populated areas. This allows you to gather weapons and materials without immediate conflict. Always pay close attention to the storm circle on your map. Moving early prevents you from taking damage. Finally, dedicate time to practicing your building skills. Quick and effective building is often the difference between victory and defeat in Fortnite battles. Good luck out there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.